Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now, pick the image you want and put it in desktop or pictures so you can find it instantly. Once located, right-click the desktop and select Personalize or open System Settings and go straight to Personalization. Make sure the file is a common format like JPG or PNG and note the resolution so it won't appear stretched. While in Settings, don't click around. Stay in Background or Wallpaper so the next steps flow without distraction. Now you apply and position the image carefully. Choose background type, picture for a single photo or slideshow for rotating images. Click Browse, navigate to Desktop or Pictures, and choose the file you prepared, then click Set as Background or choose Picture. After that, select how it fits. Fill to cover, fit to contain, stretch to force, tile for repeat, center for exact placement, or span across multiple monitors. These choices change how pixels map to your display, so pick the one that preserves. Finish by locking the screen and verifying the wallpaper appears correctly on both lock and desktop views. Once done, save your configuration. Right-click Desktop, Personalize, Save Theme, or Copy to Theme so settings persist after updates. Make sure to sign out and sign back in if the change doesn't show immediately, because many systems require a session refresh. If that fails, clear the thumbnail or wallpaper cache and restart Explorer or the device.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.